Yeah, that's good old part 2 of cutting the deck on a Pontiac 400 block, and also to show exactly what those rings were that I made a couple videos back before. Hopefully this helps explain a little bit better on how the rings work. They get clamped in the main journal, centered on a 2-inch bar. There's a good view of one of the rings right there. And then we have the BHJ block fixture plate, which bolts to the front of the engine block, connects the 2-inch bar, and aligns everything up with the cam journal. And this way you have a parallel surface from the center line of the crank to the center line of the deck, which is, here's your reference point right here. This is 90 degrees. So this should be 90 degrees from the center line of the crank. So this way when you cut the deck, you're squaring up the block properly.